All right, hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Eric, and I am going to be showing you today what I do on a daily way of how I'm looking at the market here on TradingView. Usually I'm using TradingView. If you've seen my videos, that's what I'm using, TradingView, but I'm telling you how I look at the market, what indicators I use, how I get a whole bunch of indicators and a setup for free, and then how I find those with the free TradingView screener, how I get a nice list of 10 to 5 stocks every day. And then a bonus today, I'm going to show you another website I look at. You probably heard about it, Finviz, but when the market's going down like this or it's having a dip, what I look at instead of shorting a stock, which some say that's a little bit risky, and I'm in the same hat with them. So let's get started. We're on TradingView. As you can see, I've got it open up. You can look at the market, and we went down again today, as today is March 6th, I believe. Yes, and so this opening page, we just click on products, hover over here, and go to super charts. This is how I start. And we got a nice setup here. This is my setup. So as you can see, it's got a buy, sell, and it has a MACD subchart. Now, as you can see, it's nice because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 moving average lines plus the buy and sell. And how do we get that? I am going to show you in just a second. Let's cut to that. Let's cut to why you came here. So I'm just going to remove those real quickly. And here we go, back up to indicators, and you're just going to type in SMA 9/50/180 EMA 20, and you'll end up with this one by the M. Phillips. We just simply click on that. And here we go. There's some extra here. You're going to see this. It's almost like a super trend line is what I would call it. I don't think that's exactly what it is, but it's close. That's a little bit too much for me. Too many lines there. We already got enough lines here, so I like to change it. You can go to settings, and it's under style here, and you just simply hit the buy sell chart line, and that gets rid of that. I think it just looks a little bit nicer. Input, you can go to inputs. You could change your line, the SMA2, if maybe you like 30, but I just keep it at 9, 50, 180, 20. Some people like to change this SMA to 10. You just simply do that, or 11 or 12, or whatever you prefer. But I am leaving the settings as they are. Some might want to change this SMA 3 to an SMA 200, but I just leave it as it is. Now, we're going to put in the subchart, and I like the MACD, MACD, and you'll get this, and you simply click on it, and there you go. There we go. So we've got a nice setup here. Let's click on VOO, see how that's basically doing. We had a big sell there, and it's been going down. You can click on a ruler here, just a little sub. That's what I love about TradingView. The tools are just so easy. Let's see how long. So we're down 6% since. Boop. What day was that? Friday, February. If you want to get real technical, you click on that, the real day, and it'll tell you the bars. So 9 days, we're down 6%. So here we go. So now I'm going to give you the screener that almost has this setup that coincides with these buy and sell indicators that you see here. It's pretty close. So we have to go to another TradingView page. Bear with me here. And here we go. We open up to the front page like this again. And then we go to product sense right here at screeners. As you can see, you could do ETFs, bonds, crypto, and stocks. So they even have heat maps down here that you can review. We just simply click on stocks, and here we go with our almost 14,000. Sometimes they have 14,000, not today. This is the US market. I simply click on the plus sign, and I go down here to market data and average volume. And I switch it to 30 days, and I click add filter. Nothing's going to happen because you do have to make another change here, manual setup. And I like to have an average volume of 1 million for 30 days. That seems pretty good. I want some liquidity so I can get rid of the stock if I want to sell it. At least that's my theory. Then we go back up here. I'm going to type in MACD, moving average at 1 day, and add. And then I'm going to go back and level crosses up signal, and we're down to 66. We really eliminated a lot. I will stay on 1 day because that's what I trade mostly, 1 day. Little tidbit for you for TradingView, the free version, you can only search under daily, weekly, or monthly. You do anything less than you have to pay the subscription, just to let you know. So I go back up here on the plus sign, type in SMA, and the settings are at 50. I'm going to go all the way to 200, click add filter. I'll go back in here and put below price. We are at 20, and then here SMA, simple moving average, here we go, 9, add filter, click again, and I will go below price 0 to 10%, I'll put in a percentage. And then usually I'll even switch that up again. You can go to manual setup here. You can even do less. You can do 0 to 3%. You can do 0 to 5%, 60% or more. But I do as low as it can go, trying to get the price action as close as I can to the SMA 9. And so here we go. We got 4, and then I just simply we'll start by growth. What's growing the best? I just hit this button here. You go up. It goes up, down, down. Sometimes I'll check the annualist rating, but since there's only 4, I'll click on this Illinois Toolworks, and you just simply click on the super charts here. Here we go. Not yet. Not liking it. This went up, down, up, and there's a sort of a pullback. Not loving it. So I would go back and just click on this one, go on this super charts. This is a nice stock. I mean, it's been going up good. I missed it. You know, if you wanted to jump in, maybe because it does have a pattern of going up. You already missed the buy. It goes up sometimes 3%. It's been up 7% since way back in February. Okay, rambling on. Let's go. KT Corporation seems to be coming in the picture now and then. Yes, because it's going up and down, up and down. I do have a buy signal. This is a possibility, but me just looking at this, I know there is not enough room just to give you, because here's the top, here's where it's seeing resistance. I could just put this here. I don't need to put a line, and that's maybe it's going to go up just a little bit to 18, and then it's going to fall back down, probably. So our last is British American Tobacco. Just come through here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is the setup that I would be looking for. Well, this is a possibility that I would look at again tomorrow morning. Take another look at it, because this is interesting. This is what you want for a swing trade. It's going down. The buy signal's there, but you know, the 9 is starting to cross the 20. I wouldn't say that I missed that, and just looking at the MACD is giving me some confirmation there. If I wanted to, I'd wait another day for confirmation, but there is some room to grow here because the last high was here. If you wanted to change that, you would change trend lines here and just go horizontal line. So I would do that. You click on horizontal line and boom, and there you got your horizontal line. So you do got some to play with as I start clicking buttons. And I'm getting on another tangent here. So what happens when the market's down like this and you're not finding much on the screeners? I go to FinViz. You pull it up, and then I just simply, this is what you got, and it's got so much nice information. It's almost too much, but I don't know if you can have too much, but I always go here to the heat map here, pop this up just to see. It tells you how all the markets are doing. As you can see, technology, financial was down today. Healthcare's up, oil's up over here. Just a nice map. But another place where I like to go, because I told you you may not want to short stocks. It may be a little bit, you may think it's a little bit too risky. Instead, you can go, I like to look for funds. And as you can see, you can guess which one I'm looking at, the green one. These inverse funds, look at these, and they're doing real good. 8%, 5%, 3% today, 5%. Take your pick, SQQ, doing really good. And or you can go to leverage. Leverage is going to, up 15%, and we got the VIX volatility index. They're all doing well, of course. So you could hunt through these. And another bit of information, just to let you know, on funds, there is going to be a fee. So when you look at them, you click on this, get where it says what the fee is. There's always a fee. Sometimes it's 1%, sometimes it's a little bit higher. And the expense, it's going to be down here. It'll be the expense, and this is 0.89%. So that's about normal. Or you pay 1%. It's anywhere around 3 or 4. Forget it. But yeah, that's kind of normal for a fund like this. So you're not going to stay in it long enough to really matter usually. Okay, so I think I'm going to leave it at that. I hope this gave you a lot of value here, and as always, this is not financial advice whatsoever. This is all for educational purposes. And with that, if you found any value, again, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.